Foshan, Keyate Auto Parts Company Limited is an auto accessory manufacturer specializing in research, development, production, and sales of high-performance exhaust system and carbon fiber parts. Keyate Auto Parts Company implements the integration of modern management, 3D product design and development, efficient manufacture. Covering an area of 8,000 square meter workshop place, Keyate owns more than 40 units of advanced mechanical equipment and machines, such as 3D scanning modeling, laser welding, CNC automatic bending, dynojet horsepower, and other advanced equipment. In recent years, Keyate aggressively explores the foreign market based on the original OEM and ODM services and domestic trade, having a good reputation in oversea and domestic market. Keyate Auto Parts Company is a family of auto exhaust system brands consisting of RES exhaust, CRAZBOOM auto carbon kits, and RStitan motorcycle exhaust. This whole building is for exhaust system production from raw material, laser cutting, CNC automatic bending, TIG welding exhaust pipe to product finishment. This another building is carbon product workshop, the raw material from wet layup to pre-greg lamination, resin transfer molding, creating CNC aluminum alloy mold, and carbon parts manufacture. This is our showroom. To pull in the distance with our customers, we arrange daily live stream, introduce our product, and answer customer questions. Besides, Keyate one-stop service, OEM production with custom logo, production with custom design, pack with custom logo, and arrange shipment to door.